Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Geometry Dash. Well, okay, here's the thing. I just lost like almost an hour worth of recording time. So luckily I didn't really do anything too important. I just reminisced through a few of my old levels. I ended up verifying a new level I made, and then I uploaded it. It's based after base hard mode, which if you guys don't know, I'm actually making a RobTop hard mode series where I basically just buff each of the RobTop levels. And I actually started doing this before I knew about Vortrox or what he was doing. And I'm not going anywhere near the level that he is doing because I'm just not that good. The only thing I really did was, I think, get a new best in the Lightning Road. I don't actually know if I got a new best, but I got somewhat close to it. I don't know. Anyway. But I verified base after base, and then I did like 2 runs of TOE2, and then I started playing the Lightning Road. Which then my internet connection decided to die, and I lost all of my stuff, and for some reason it didn't get saved to my files for whatever reason on my device, and I don't know why. With that being said, let's continue with our run of the Nightmare. I was just running through a few runs of practice mode. I was just running through some practice mode, basically. Because I don't actually know how this level... Jeez, okay. That ball section is going to be hard to do, probably. Oh, I see. So it's up, down. Oh, it's upside down portal, okay. I have to click there. There we go. Practice mode. Now let's do it in regular mode, normal mode. That ball section's gonna be a complete run killer for me. Okay, here we go. I think this is where the thing comes in. No, wait, not yet. There it is. Ooh, that was close. Okay, ball section, here we go. Yeah. But I'm not okay, I was just about to say I'm not celebrating just yet, and then I die. 86, new best though, nice. Oh. But yeah, I mentioned a YouTuber named Vortrox earlier. My RobTop hard mode series is actually not what inspired me to do this series, wait. My RobTop hard mode series was not inspired by him, but he did inspire me to come back and continue the series, which I had taken a long break from. Because I had actually taken, like, probably a good year and a half, maybe 2 years as a break. I actually made a base after base hard mode, and then I didn't end up verifying it. And so I made a new one. And then I just verified it and uploaded it about, like, 30-ish minutes ago. But, unfortunately, the footage of that was lost. Okay, here we go. I'm about to lock in. I knew it. I knew I was gonna die at some point during that. The ship section. Bro, I'm locked in so hard by my words are not wording, bruh. But the ship and the ball section are definitely going to get me the most. I feel like that's just it's just gonna happen. Bruh. I swear, that thing's gonna get me, like, every time. Like, that last ship section, and, like, the last two ship sections are gonna kill me a lot. And, honestly, probably that ball part's gonna get me a few times as well. I haven't died there yet, but not to jinx it, because I'm still probably gonna die there a few times. I just know it. And this one, too, honestly, because I could, yep, like that. I was gonna say, because I just could forget the timings on that, like I just did. I did it too late. Because I wouldn't quite say this level's hard, I would just say that it has certain points in the level that require you to be, like, really precise. And I wouldn't really call that difficult, I would just call that more, you need to play the level a lot, rather than be skillful at the game. To be fair, that is how a lot of demons are, like, a lot of demons are, oh my goodness, what am I trying to say here? That's how a lot of demons are now, though, is what I was trying to say. Like, some demons... Oh, I almost just died. There we go. Here we go. Ooh! No! No! I celebrated too early. I thought I was done, because that's, like, the last hard part. The rest of it was, like, it's basically free, I think. Like, the last 13% is just, like, an orb, like, a collection of orbs, which isn't really that hard. I think there's, like, 1 or 2, like, spike jumps. I could be wrong. I don't even remember, to be honest. But the one time I finally hit that orb, because if you don't hit the orb, I don't think you can go high enough. That's what I've tried to do, or I could have just been doing it late. I'm not sure, honestly. Also, when it's my first time, like, playing a level or a song on the channel, I will not talk. But, like, I'm sure you guys have heard Dry Out a lot. So, at this point, especially if you've been following with the first 24 episodes of my series so far. I don't know why I keep jumping over that yellow pad, but it's better than jumping onto it, because if I jump onto it, I will die. Why did I do that? Why did I not hit the pads? Why? Was I just trying to make it more difficult or something? I don't know, honestly. I mean, there are a good amount of portions in this level that are basically just auto. Like, you just sit there and wait for something to happen. And the visual effects in this level are kind of insane. And that's not necessarily in a good way. Like, for example, the mirror portals literally everywhere in this level. Why did I not jump? My brain was telling me to jump, but I just straight up didn't for some reason. What was I doing? I think I was just getting too used to the fact that I was going through an auto section. Okay, this is kind of the annoying part. Okay. Okay, we're through the annoying part. Well, sort of. Really? Really? What was I thinking there? I am determined to beat the Lightning Road. The question is, will this happen in this video, or will it happen in the next video? Or the next video? Who knows? Wow. It's way too late. That was not quick enough. Also, I do plan on going back, as you can probably tell with this video. Maybe. I do plan on going back and finishing all of the series that I have started. Well, Geometry Dash doesn't really have an end. It's just kind of whenever I play it. But yeah, I plan on finishing all the series. Like, earlier I was considering what game to play for a video, and I was actually considering doing Slime Rancher 2. And I was like, you know what, I finished base after base hard today, like, making it. So what better thing to do than just make a comeback video while doing that? Did I really just die to the first jump? To be honest, I don't even really remember that much about Slime Rancher 2. But the series... Oh, also, FNF did have an update as well, so I will be doing that. I technically did have, like, 1 or 2 episodes left from the previous update, but I guess I'll just include those into this update. I mean, I also had mods that I was going to do, but I'm referring to the main game. Like, I had 1 or 2 episodes left to do of the main game. And then I was planning on doing a couple of the mods that... Why do I always just, not, like, just sit there on that part? Like, I think my brain is just saying yellow pad equals good, so just go to the yellow pad. Also, I just realized in a level that I made about... So here's the thing. Some of my created levels that I made had a couple of 2.2 testing features, and I just realized I used all of the other features, but I literally did not use one of the two most crucial features that were introduced in... Why did I jump? One of the two most crucial features that were introduced into 2.2, and that would be the swing copter, or the swing. Like, I just now realized I didn't even use that in my levels. I made 2 of them. One of them was over, like, free mode, and then sideways. The other one was, like, reverse stuff. Bruh. That was very close. Oof, I thought I did that too late for a second. Ooh, I almost died. No! I swear this orb. That singular orb, always. Ugh. Bro, my game just lagged hard. Did y'all see that? Like, it wasn't like a huge lag, it was just like a ton of miniature lags at once. I swear that part is always so tight. Okay, here we go. Oh! Yo, let's go! The lightning road. Nice. Alright, that is the 4th demon completed on this channel, in this series. First one was Club Step, second one was Toe 2, third one was the Nightmare, and 4th one was the Lightning Road. Actually, I just now realized the Nightmare has Poltergeist as the song, which is the 3rd song, as well as the 3rd demon we've beaten. The Lightning Road has Dry Out, which is the 4th song, also the 4th demon we've beaten. So is there a demon, like an easy demon with base after base? I'm kind of curious. Let's just check easy demons. I kind of want to see what would be some good easy demons for us to do. Platinum Adventure. Let's try Platinum Adventure. I think this one's fairly easy. I won't try too hard on this one just because I want to keep it to 1 demon per video. So I'm just going to kind of see, bruh. We're going to do 2 more attempts. And then this will be the next demon we do, probably, depending on how good it is. I mean, so far it seems fairly easy. Oh. Okay. Kind of figured it would do that. There's no way. What am I? Oh, I'm a ball. Okay. I was like, what am I turning into and what's happening? Okay. Alright, so that is it for the Platinum Adventure. For now. Let's try Speed Racer. Actually, no, I already know what Speed Racer is. I don't plan on doing that one. For now, let's go in quests. For now on, let's do, have I done Dash on this channel? I'm like 99% sure I have. Yeah. I haven't done it in practice mode? Interesting. Let's go Deadlocked. Let's do a few Deadlocked attempts, since this is technically our next demon. Like, this is our next Rob Top demon. I mean, our only other Rob Top demon we can do, so, like, of course it's the next one. How did I just do that first try? I don't know if I've ever actually done that wave first try. What? I actually don't know if I've ever died there. Okay, so here's the thing. The first time I ever beat Deadlocked, it was awesome because I just took... Like, I took a big break, and then the first try when I came back, I absolutely fluked it from, like, 80%. We have 1 key. I thought I had, like, 10 keys. What? Okay. Wait, what else? What? Oh. Yeah, I need, like, 3 more chests. We'll just open it. We'll just open a tier 1 chest. Oop. Do I have any paths going on right now? No. It's because I don't have enough mana orbs, do I? What's this? I have 17,000, okay. I just realized I still have the basic UFO on. Do I have the... No, I almost have the basic wave. So I'm going to keep my cube. I'm also going to keep my... Probably keep my ship and my ball. I'm keeping my ball, like 99% sure of that. UFO, I don't actually know what I'm going to do for my icon. Same with wave. Robots the same way. Spiders the same way. Swings the same way. Same with the jetpack as well. I don't know. Well, there's only a few jetpacks. I haven't beaten the tower. Oh, right. That's not the tower. Wow. Let's do it. Let's do a few runs on the tower. Actually, no. We're already 23 minutes into this video. I'm going to save that for another day. Event. Ooh, yes. Skyline Part 2. I like this level a lot. Bruh. 32% for a first try is not that bad. I'd say the only part that actually feels like it should be a demon... Like, I feel like other than the last, like, 30-ish%, I feel like it should just be, like, probably just, like, an insane, honestly. But the last 30% definitely take that demon title. To be fair, a lot of, like, the earlier demons... I'm not saying this is an earlier demon. This is actually fairly new. But I believe the earlier demons were, like, way underrated. So, or rather, way overrated. So, like, the Lightning Road, for example, like, today would not be considered a demon whatsoever if it was made today. Bruh. Bruh, okay. That's fine. Let's check out what the new one is. GD Gangster Rap? No way! Is it the YouTube reference? That's exactly what it is. I didn't download it though. Let me download it. No way they actually got a hold of it. That's awesome. No way. Bruh. Oh, okay. That's fine. I didn't actually... Wait, it's by him! Nice! Wait, is this... Oh, this is an NCS. This is just the event level. Okay. I wonder if it's a demon. What? I've never noticed that it says that. Anyway, what's our gauntlet? Oh, fire aura. Oh, this monstrosity of a level. I always hated this level, honestly. What? Okay. Yeah, I always hated this level. I don't honestly remember why, but I just remember I did not like it. What's this? Oh yeah, I forgot. I can't open it yet. Chaos Gauntlet, Anubis. I have only 45% on it. Interesting. Alright then. I don't really want to start anything new. Honestly. So I'll probably just end the video here. Actually, we can check out the weekly demon. Bruh, 10% on a first try isn't that bad. Oh, okay. I didn't see those spikes. Yeah, I'm not really wanting to start anything completely new yet, just because we're towards the end of a video, and so I'm planning on waiting until the next video. That was too long. Wow. Yeah, that was too early. Huh? Wait, do you have to hit it late? Yeah, that was too early as well. I'm gonna give it a couple more attempts. Okay. We're gonna give it one more attempt. Unless I die at the same spot. I don't want to end it off on dying. Bruh! Okay, that doesn't count. That wasn't, nobody saw anything that was not an attempt. That was all a hallucination. That didn't really happen. Okay, 15, not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, well, with that being said, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I will see you guys next time for another episode of Geometry Dash. Goodbye.